Today I'm going to show you how to access Grok in X, which many people still call Twitter, in just a few simple clicks. If you want a fast way to start using Grok right inside the X platform, this is going to be a quick and easy walkthrough. And if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open X in your browser or launch the X app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use, because Grok is connected directly to your X experience. Once you're on the main X interface, look at the left navigation bar. On the left side, you should see the Grok icon listed there. It may appear alongside the other main navigation options, so take a moment to scan the sidebar carefully. When you find the Grok icon, click on it. This will take you directly into the Grok interface inside X. From there, you'll see the prompt box where you can begin typing whatever you want to ask. Just click into the text field and type your prompt normally. You can ask questions, request ideas, summarize information, or use it for any other task you need help with. After typing your prompt, submit it, and Grok will generate a response for you right inside X. That's really all there is to it. Open X, click the Grok icon on the left navigation bar, and start typing your prompts. It's that simple. If this video helped you, be sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.